your space. Choosing the right fragrance can evoke feelings of relaxation, energy, or focus, provide ambient lighting that'll make any space infinitely cozier, and act as lovely decorative pieces. Number 11. Paddywax Candles Library Collection. The smell and or emitting from Paddywax Candles Library Collection is reminiscent of built-in bookshelves The Law, Beauty, and the Beast. Soy blend wax and cotton wicks are carefully poured into copper tins, each of which is dedicated to a literary icon such as Charles Dickens' Tangerine, Juniper, and Clove, Jane Austen Gardenia, Tuberose, and Jasmine, and Oscar Wilde Cedarwood, Thyme, and Basil. Number 10. Malin plus Goetz Votive Candle. Malin plus Goetz Votive candles come in a variety of unique fragrances, ideal for sensitive noses that detest anything overly fruity, sweet, or floral. Instead, opt for the likes of dark rum, leather, cannabis, or tomato, the latter of which pulls basil, tomato, and mint notes to transform your kitchen into a sprawling herb garden. Number 9. Mrs. Meyer's Soy Candle. Mrs. Meyer's Soy Candle is the perfect way to end a deep cleaning session around your home. There is nothing more satisfying than placing this candle on your kitchen countertop, lighting a match, and allowing the decadent basil scent to burn whilst you sit on your sofa and watch a cozy romantic comedy. Number 8. Nest Scented Classic Candle. The Nest Scented Classic Candle comes in a plethora of fresh scents like apricot, bamboo, Amalfi lemon and mint, and Sicilian tangerine, the latter two of which are perfect for infusing your humble abode with vacation spirit. And with a clean burn time of 60 hours, you can rest assured that the $46 price tag will stretch far. Number 7. Paddywax Candles Apothecary Collection. Paddywax Candles Apothecary Collection is an upcycling dream courtesy of stunning amber vessels that can be repurposed into any trinket, from a vase to makeup brush storage. This soy blend wax comes in unique, smoky scents reminiscent of woodsy campfires, thanks to combinations such as tobacco and patchouli, amber and smoke, antique and tobacco. Number 6. Benevolence a Eucalyptus and Chamomile Aromatherapy Candle. The aroma of this candle was specially made to be therapeutic, blending essential oils together to strike the perfect combination. More specifically, calming and soothing chamomile is paired with refreshing and invigorating eucalyptus. It's a duo that may seem oxymoronic, but rather than canceling each other out, these two elements blend together for the ultimate blend that somehow manages to both help you chill and energize you all at once. Also noteworthy is the brand's philanthropic contributions. For each candle purchase, they make a donation to a specific charity. In this case, it's to an organization that helps end human sex trafficking. Number 5. Craft & Can Violet Velvet Soy Candle. We can't decide what we like most about this candle. Is it the stunning packaging, with thick amber glass accentuated with black labeling and gilded font? Is it the fact that the soy wax and cotton wick are entirely non-toxic and clean burning? Or is it the scent, derived from organic essential oils, that combines hints of sweet berries and lemon with rich sandalwood and musk? Happily, there's no need to choose because this stunner offers all of the above. You'll especially appreciate the beautiful packaging that makes it ready for gifting. No added wrapping required. Number 4. Mia's Kono 9 Ocean Rose Soy Wax Candle. When a trip to the beach just isn't in the cards, lighting this candle is the next best thing. Handcrafted in California, it perfectly channels a coastal feel and scent, using ingredients sourced from around the world. Citrusy mandarin is paired with floral rose and lily, balanced out with base notes of amber, powder, and honey. The end result will transport you to the shore. All that's missing is the sand between your toes. Plus, the candle is also made with eco-friendly materials, specifically soy wax and a cotton wick. Number 3. Nest Fragrances Nest Classic Candle Moroccan Amber. Light this candle the next time you have people over, and we guarantee someone will ask, "What smells so good?" Minimalists will appreciate the streamlined and sleek clear and white glass vessel, which works with any decor and in any room. The brand has no shortage of distinct scents to choose from. But if you're going to pick just one, this rich and deep fragrance is choice. Hints of amber and patchouli are balanced out by an unexpected touch of refreshing eucalyptus. Also noteworthy, a cosmetic-grade wax that optimizes how each candle burns and the fragrance diffuses, and the variety of sizes available. You can't go wrong with the classic. It boasts a 50 to 60 hour burn time. But if you really want to splurge, go with the luxury option, which will last you up to 120 hours. Number 2. Capri Blue Volcano Candle. This brand is known for both the intoxicating scent combos and stunning vessels of their candles. And indeed, this one is no exception. You'll notice the gorgeous cobalt blue glass jar first. It's the kind of blue that's reminiscent of the Aegean Sea and Greek islands. Fans of sweet scents will especially appreciate the fragrance, with notes of tropical fruits and sugared citrus. Over time, you'll appreciate not only how good the candle smells, but how long the scent it gives off lasts, even once it's been blown out. Number 1. Apothecary Luxury Scented Jar Candle, Amberwoods. Apothecary is known for its luxury candles, and their amberwood scent certainly doesn't disappoint. The scent pairs warm amberwood, sweet lily, and night-blooming jasmine with peppercorn, woody vetiver, and patchouli for a warm, inviting scent that'll transform your home. The handmade soy wax candle burns for an average of 60 to 70 hours, so it'll certainly last for a while in your collection, whether or not the candle is lit. However, the minimal white vessel will make a chic addition to any nightstand, accent table, or countertop. Whether you have it on hand as an unmistakable gift for any occasion because everyone loves a good candle, or to add it to your own personal stash, we have prepared this list for you for all your candle shopping needs. Since you can't really smell them, the decoys of online shopping, we've worked hard for you by putting together the best of the best. I would be happy if I could help you a little with this product list. Please inform us the same by specifying other candles that are important to you in the comments. If you like the video, you can support me by subscribing. And if you don't like it, if you specify the reason for this in the comments, you will make a great contribution to me and my development. Thanks for watching the video and taking the time. Have a nice day.